Thank you for joining me for another episode of this massive kitchen remodel. Kind of triggers people when I say it's massive. They gotta tell me that it's not massive. So for today, remove all the plaster. We're going to explore a different option. We're going to explore having this archway go right into this wall here and not have this wall here. We'll know if that's possible once we pull this section off and see what I have to work with inside the exterior wall cavity. See, with the holdup, I may not have gotten all that mesh. All the corners are reinforced with metal mesh, and it makes it very difficult if you don't get that cut. You can see Well, right there you can see my screws that go through the fender washer into that lath. I just did a quick round of cleanup and thought I'd answer a question. Someone mentioned in the comments for the last video that they've never seen a horizontal bracing like this in all the headers. Well, there really is no header to hold the wall up or the ceiling up or the roof up. This is a non-load bearing wall, and this is just part of the design. This here's a big notch that goes up to about here, where that ball, literally a metal ball, rolls in a tube like thing. It's kind of crazy how the thing works. So it's just the horizontal bracing. This is just for the door. It's just the pocket door. So there really is not much to this wall. This whole door's got to come out. Right now I'm brainstorming on the best way to cut this wall out. I mean, the whole thing's coming down except for a certain portion of a strip across there. Here's another update. It doesn't make for a very good video. What I'm doing is I'm digging all the lath out of this crack here. I'm trying to do all my exploration from this room. One for dust control and two for damage. Like I said, this is all going to get covered up. That room there, not much is getting covered up. So what I'm looking for is I see that piece of wood in there, and I don't know what it is. It could be just a plank. Of course, we didn't have plywood back then. No idea what it is because it's overlapping. Is it a 2x8, 2x6? Who knows? That's what I need to find out. 99-cent wood cutting blades in here now. I'm just going to cut a section of this 2x4 out, and we will see what's behind there. You guys watching? Get up close. Get up close. Don't want you to miss anything. Come on, get on out of there. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? What's interesting to note is that diamond blade will cut right straight through this. In fact, you use the diamond blade to cut through cast iron like butter. Alright, see, that is not a 2x. See, there's a method to my madness, people. Interesting. So, do me a favor. Click that like button. Give me that like. So the lath from the other wall does not attach to this plank here to the right. It attaches to a stud. So I can remove this plank here and put in a stud. 99-cent screwdrivers at Home Depot. I love these things. I've never broken them, never ruined them, but I've lost a bunch of them. That's why I get these 99-cent screwdrivers. So I'm just gonna chip this out here. And like I said, we're gonna let this thing dangle for a while until we get to ripping all the electrical out. Hold on to your hats. Uh-oh. Come on, that's what I get for buying a rigid tool. Should have went with Black & Decker. That archway. Come on, baby. Why are you stuck over there? There. Holy fuck. It's heavy. There's not a single crack. It's strange to be this happy just about doing work. I just like doing this. The more challenging it is, the more fun it is to me. It's just like a big puzzle. How to take it apart and put it back together. How to make the puzzle pieces. I gotta make this safe. We got some giant ass nails up here. Got some nails down here and a lot of cleaning up. Actually not that bad. Because I've been cleaning up as I've been going, there really isn't that much. We'll see what mood I'm in. There's plenty to do. Plenty to do. Who wants to come and help? Not sure if I showed this yet, so this might not be bonus footage. But as you can see, that line is just a pen mark. But that cove ceiling it's perfect. No cracks. We'll get a nice archway that ties in there, a nice archway that ties in here. And this kitchen just became massive. Massive kitchen.